Hey guys, welcome back to my educational blog. So our lesson for today is digital literacy skills in the 21st century. Lesson outcomes. First, we need to identify and describe the elements of digital literacies. Second is conducted a self-evaluation on level of digital literacy skills. Now, let's move on to literacies. The first one is cyber literacy or digital literacy. Next is media literacy. The third one is art and creativity literacy. Fourth, financial literacy. Lastly, multicultural literacy or global understanding. The millennial students are generally tech-savvy digital natives. So here are the examples that are used for communication and they can easily get the information they need. Now let's move on to digital literacies. So digital literacies helps individuals' capabilities to be able to effectively and responsibly function and perform in a digital society. The term digital literacy was coined by Paul Gelster in 1997. A. Visual literacy, when images and nonverbal symbols try to capture the knowledge. B. Technology literacy, requiring one to be able to use technology in addressing a need. C. Computer literacy, which in the 1980s started to become household item manipulated to achieve one's target. D. Information literacy, which refers to the finding, evaluating, using, and sharing of information. In teaching and learning context, digital literacy refers to the ability to access, process, understand, utilize, create media content using information technologies and the internet. Now let's move on to the digital literacies. Media literacy is one's ability to critically read information or content and utilize multimedia in creatively producing communications. Information literacy is locating information from the web and interpreting while evaluating its validity in order that it can be shared. Next is ICT literacy, is knowing how to select and use digital devices, applications, or services to accomplish tasks requiring the use of the internet. Next is communications and collaboration, are one's capabilities in being able to participate in the digital networks in the teaching and learning context. Next is identify management, being able to understand how to ensure safety and security in managing online, identify and foster a positive digital reputation. Next is learning skills, are ways of knowing how to study and learn in a technology-enriched environment. Next is digital scholarship, was being able to link and participate in professional and research practices. Next is citizenship and character. Citizenship is known as netizenship in the virtual world. This is making the person consider how one behaves accordingly by observing the norms and rules that are in accordance with what are sociably and virtually accepted. As a result, one is projecting a reputable digital identity which is his or her character. Now let's move on to the 4 C's of the 21st century skills. The first C is collaboration, working together to reach a goal. So putting talent, expertise, and smarts to work. The second one is communication, sharing thoughts, questions, ideas, and solutions. Next is creativity, trying new approaches to get things done equals innovation and invention. The last one is critical thinking, looking at problems in a new way, linking learning across subjects and disciplines. Now let's move on to digital literacy skills versus digital literacy. According to Lynch 2017, there are 8 digital literacy skills needed to become digitally literate. The first one is coding, is a universal language. Basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and the like will create a shared understanding of what can be done with the web pages. The second one is collaboration. The use of Google Docs, among others, allows students to begin experimenting with effective online collaboration. The third one is cloud software. This is an essential part of document management. The cloud is used to store everything from photos to research projects, to term papers, and even music. The fourth one is word processing software. Google, Microsoft Online Dropbox are available for storage and management solutions. The fifth one is screencasting. A screencast is a video recording using the computer screen and usually includes an audio. The sixth one is personal archiving. Students should be taught the concepts of metadata, tagging keywords and categories to make them aware how are they represented online. Next is information evaluation. Critical thinking to weed out fake news is a crucial 21st century skill. Lastly, the use of social media. It serves different purposes depending on the user, the technology, and the need. Now let's move on to digital literacy. Teachers and students should not only be proficient in how to use digital skills, but they need to see the information and media technology to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information requiring both cognitive and technical skills. I hope all of you guys have learned something from my lesson, and thank you so much for listening to my vlog, and let's see each other in the next lesson. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching!